In this video, you'll learn how to move all posts from one category to another. The first thing you need to do is install and activate the plugin. Before that, let's move to Posts and click on All Posts to see what categories to change. You can see various posts here placed in an uncategorized category. To bulk move all posts from one category to another, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Here, simply search for the bulk move, and this is the plugin we were looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate. To configure the plugin, hover over Tools and click on Bulk Move. All you need to do is select Category A in the left drop-down menu and Category B in the right drop-down menu. You can see the related setting here. Once done, click on Bulk Move. Similarly, you can bulk move tags using the plugin. Moving to Posts, you can see here the category has been changed here. This is how easy it is to bulk move post categories in WordPress. In case you want to learn how to prevent WordPress users from adding a category or tag, then we have a video explaining that as well. You can get the link in the description, or you can check the link, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.